Hey everybody, I wanted to bring another update on my Christmas truck. The truck is pretty much done. I still have to build the diorama. As you can see, I cut out the grill area. I'll stop it on a little bit, give it more of a realistic view. Bought a Christmas tree and built a little trunk for it to sit in the back like he's taking a Christmas tree home after getting it. A lot of delicate parts on this one. Come with the handles, the mirror. It's pretty delicate, like gas filler neck, the license plate with a brake light, the bumpers and all that. So it's kind of a delicate truck when you're all said and done. So you really don't want to mess with it too much. Comes with a lot of detail in this kit, which I really like. I'm gonna break it down and actually show more detail in the different spots. I figured I'd show a little bit of an overview of the entire truck all at once. This was a real fun build. I'm gonna build a base still. I had the base started in plaster and built the main structure, so, and the layout kind of figured out. Kind of got to wait for the plaster to dry. But let me move things around and show you a little bit more. So in this view you kind of can see how I cut away on the grill. Here's one of the spots that I actually had a problem. More of a complex grill to grind out and cut out, but I almost didn't use it for this kit, but I decided just stick with it and put it on the truck anyhow. I think it ends up looking good, but there is some defects that I do see. I don't think it's too bad. I do have a different grill that I could have used in place of this one, but I just stick with it. I did put the decal that came with the kit and both the logo in both those spots. So it does add a nice little effect to be able to see in the grill. And since this truck is not done, I have not done a wash. I think I did a wash on the radiator in the back. And the truck is almost done, but it's still a little ways away. So a little bit of a top view on here. You should be able to see the decal on the air cleaner, gas line, and then I did do spark wires on there. Let's see if I move it. Alright, so this is the interior. I was able to do that, what they call washi tape. It's kind of in the craft section where the scrapbooks are. It's thin tape. It's not quite as good as the Tamiya tape, but it's pretty thin. And I was able to apply it on the seats. And I did a matte clear coat on it to hold it down. I was able to get it in the door panels. I think I show a little bit better view in my last video on this truck, last update. But this one I got the seat belt in. You can see the door handles and the window cranks, and then the front window cranks up there. It does have gauges in there. And then this is my trunk. The light's kind of washing it out a little bit. And I did that out of masking tape. I painted it with a couple colors. I'm going to do a wash on it. And this is the hood. the little delicate hood latches that come with this kit. Try to show the underneath. Try to get as much detail as I could. There's another view, you kind of can see through the grill. Gave the spare a little wash. The trunk bed, try to make it look like real wood. Get it in focus, but it is just the plastic. I used a tan paint, kind of what I did here, and then I did a dark wash, a light wash, and a black wash in random to kind of give it the wood look. And since I molded it with the wood grain, the washes kind of filled that and gave that look. Alright guys, hopefully you liked my Christmas truck. If you can, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up. You can even share this video if you want. Till the next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So this is what the diorama is going to look like. The base is not going to stay white, and it's not going to be a very snowy scene. I got a little bit of snow that I'll put it on there, but not tons of snow. But I made a little bit of difference right in here, and that is for the ground and the road. So this is going to be kind of like a cutaway, like this was going to be the entrance to where the farm fresh Christmas trees. Just glue that on some wood that I had from like Myers. But there is lights, some LED lights on the fence, and then those do light up. I'm going to do the wiring so it goes all in one battery pack. And this is the back side. And I do have a case that goes in, so that way it can be sitting on the dining room table for display. So hopefully you guys really like this. Trying to get it done before Christmas. I mean, today is the 2nd, so I better get going. I got much more time to go. Till next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.